Around the globe, Boston and Cambridge are viewed as centers of excellence for biotech and pharmaceutical research. But it might surprise you to know that industry giant Sanofi Genzyme has 1,700 of its 5,000 employees working in Framingham.
Many people actually aren't aware of the extent of our work here in Framingham. But I think what it shows is our commitment, our presence in the community. I would also say it reflects our commitment to bringing new medicines to patients.
Genzyme, now owned by the French company Sanofi, has had a Framingham presence since 1989. Genzyme founder Henry Termeer committed to building a stunning technology park to develop specialty drug therapies for rare genetic diseases.
We study neurologic disorders that have a genetic component, like Huntington's disease, for example, which is the disease indication that I'm exclusively focused on. We also have programs in Parkinson's disease, ALS, and Rett syndrome, programs in multiple sclerosis, as well as a large effort in Alzheimer's disease.
Sanofi Genzyme boasts a portfolio of 20 specialty care therapies, which includes Lantus for diabetes, Allegra for allergies, and Plavix for acute coronary syndrome. It can take years to bring a treatment to market. So in labs like Lisa Stanek's, scientists are looking to find that DNA needle in a haystack.
We focus on rare diseases, so these are very underserved patient populations with a high unmet medical need. And the fact that we do get to know our patient populations really well, it really puts like a human face to the diseases that we're working on.
A huge investment in Framingham was made when Sanofi Genzyme built this manufacturing plant to produce an advanced drug class called biologics. Biologics are composed of proteins which must be created from living cells. These drugs typically cannot be taken in pill form, instead administered by infusion or injection.
They have the ability to give us much more precise targeting, many fewer side effects, and it really allows us to take advantage of the science that we have developed that really has revolved around understanding the biology of human disease.
As for working in Framingham, most here seem happy they're skipping the traffic-clogged commute into Greater Boston, and many appreciate that housing is more affordable in Metro West.
It's a great community. People really love to live and work in the same community. I'm really fortunate to actually have my home locally, so it's a really wonderful work-life balance.
Framingham sees robust growth ahead for its biotech sector. Boston Heart Diagnostics is a Framingham company whose sophisticated tests, they say, better predict the potential for cardiovascular disease. Started by two doctors who worked on the famous Framingham Heart Study, the company's proprietary blood test drills down far deeper than standardized cholesterol panels.
What we want to be able to do is provide the best information possible to the provider or the patient so that they're informed, and if I have more information on what my internal makeup is, I should be able to tailor my treatment and also my health regimen.
According to Kevin Flynn, 50% of people with normal results on standardized lipid profiles are still candidates for a cardiovascular event. Therefore, Boston Heart Diagnostics says why not invest in learning more about your metabolism, genetics, and diet to tailor a lifestyle strategy for you.
When we're all done, we actually provide a customized plan at the patient level that helps educate both the provider and the patient on the choices and things that they can do to ultimately get a better outcome, regarding their health.
Having located in Framingham, this growing company was able to find the space it needed at commercial real estate rates lower than Greater Boston. And they say being here has been helpful hiring within a very competitive market for skilled lab workers.
So we can draw from Western Mass, we can draw from Rhode Island, we can draw from a lot of places and have people come work for us that might not want to go into Boston. So Framingham is definitely a future destination, I think, for a lot of science-based companies.
That's really exciting, and Framingham continues to attract new biotech and biopharma companies.
They do. They're hoping to benefit a little bit as Kendall Square and Waltham begin to max out a little bit on space. They also have two exits on the Mass Pike, of course. That helps, and it's already a popular destination for a lot of corporate headquarters. TJX is there, Staples is there, Bose is there. So it works for a lot of companies, and it will work for some others as well.
That's great. As we saw earlier, Framingham's warehouse space is affordable. Not quite as affordable as the city's top-of-the-line resource.
why Framingham felt right for this resort-like business.